44 of the lockdown in India, and the number of coronavirus positive cases has breached the 50,000 mark, even as India tries to gradually lift restrictions, and it already has. In several non-essential activities have been permitted, many industries have begun opening up. Now the government is also mulling to open up public transport activities. Nitin Gadkari, the Transport Minister, said that this is under consideration and the government is formulating guidelines to restart passenger transport, keeping social distancing norms in mind. So once it opens up, the minister said that it's going to instill a lot of confidence in the public, opening up of highways and passenger transport, because these are important means of communication and it would bring back a semblance of normalcy to the lives of people. However, social distancing would remain an extremely important guideline even in the operation of public transport. Remains to be seen how the government manages to keep social distancing norms in mind while operating public transport. Guidelines are supposed to be out soon. Also, the government is mulling giving a relief package to the passenger transport industry that has been severely hit by the lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic. In other big news, scientists at the CSIR have now developed a paper-based testing kit for COVID-19, which is as accurate as the RT-PCR tests. That is what the team of scientists that developed this paper-based test kit claim. This test kit is called Feluda, and it is highly affordable. It's about 3 to 4 times cheaper than the RT-PCR test for COVID-19. The team also says that it's going to deliver results within 30 minutes, so it takes a considerably lesser time. So once these kits are out in the market, which can be expected in the next 3 to 4 weeks after the team approaches the regulatory authority for its nod, it's going to considerably reduce the time it takes to get results for COVID-19 tests, and it's also going to be much more cheaper. The centre has also now announced the IVRS feature on the Arogya Setu app. The Arogya Setu app is the software, the app that is being promoted by the Government of India and the Prime Minister that will help in tracking COVID-19 cases. It's also an application that delivers information about the COVID-19 pandemic. So this IVRS facility is going to be available on those people who have feature phones and landlines. What these customers have to do is they give a call on 1921, the number 1921, and then they get a call back requesting for their information, requesting for the kind of symptoms or the conditions that they are experiencing. So they have to voluntarily share that. If they want to avail of this service, they can just dial 1921 and then they will get a call back. So this is going to help the callers assess their symptoms, even if they don't have the facility of the Arogya Setu app being downloaded on their smartphones. If for people with no access to smartphones, this is a feature now they can avail of. In other big news now, food delivery platform Zomato is considering home delivery of alcohol to the customer's doorstep. This is now being considered because of the kind of crowds being witnessed at liquor outlets. So in order to reduce overcrowding, Zomato is thinking of stepping in, and also by witnessing the kind of surge in demand, the kind of demand there exists for alcohol currently after so many weeks of the lockdown, Zomato is thinking of venturing into this area of home delivery of liquor. Also from today, the Government of India starts its massive evacuation operation by which over 14,000 Indian nationals who are stranded overseas will be repatriated to the motherland. So several flights are going to take off between 7th of May, that is today, to 13th of May to once again bring back Indian citizens to the homeland. For this operation, Air India staff had received training in Kerala. So in Medical College of Ernakulam in Kalamassery, Air India pilots and crew members had received training on how to evacuate people. They were taught about PPE kits, infection control practices, and management of anticipated health emergencies during the flight, etc. So the first batch of Air India staff is now going to depart from Kochi today. And finally, at least 14 studies conducted in at least 9 countries have now found that the COVID-19 spreads really fast in places that are enclosed, like workspaces, like restaurants. So the studies have found that close contact, and especially prolonged contact in closed environments such as these, like workplaces and restaurants, shops, etc., can become a situation for super spreading of the COVID-19 virus. And this piece of information can go a long way, can actually be very useful for governments as they form guidelines to exit the lockdown. And we can also understand then what a post-COVID-19 future might look like. That is all for today. Thanks for watching.